Hey my subbies, I wanted to show you another DIY basket, and this is gonna be Starbucks theme. My niece's birthday's coming up and she loves Starbucks. I grabbed this basket from the Easter after sale for $1.80. So yay, at Target. The first thing I did was I added my styrofoam from the dollar store. Make sure your hot glue gun is running. And there you go. I end up getting some tissue, and thank God I had green tissue left over from my kid's hawk birthday theme. So I end up using that tissue. So then here we go. I'm going to go ahead and grab some tissue, and I'm going to put at least 4 pieces of tissue all around the basket just so it could look nice and actually look a little more fuller. So there, go ahead and add your tissue. You could use any color you want and any basket you want, but this one went very well with my Starbucks theme, so I was very happy. And there you go, another piece, another piece. Go ahead and just crunch it up and put it on. And there you go, one more. And then the first thing that I'll be adding is this Starbucks mug with her name on it. It says Christina's Coffee. So that's going to be perfect for her. She's going to love it. I picked that up on Etsy. And I want to say it was around like $10 with shipping and handling. And you could also, I went ahead and cut this tissue in half just to make sure that I covered the styrofoam. And then I added the rest of it on the back of the basket. And then I added the cup in the middle because that's going to be my wow factor. It's going to be the cup. The next thing I got was this diffuser water cup to drink. You could put the fruits in the middle and then just add your water or your juice. So I thought that would be nice. And then I picked up this notebook from the dollar store, which I really fell in love with. I held a couple of them, so I was happy that I had it. And then while I was there, I picked up some pens to go with it as well. So I got these fruit scented pens that I'm really happy. That way she could write in her notebook. And then I found these beautiful bath bomb. It's a butterfly. And I thought that would be perfect to add to her basket. Little cute butterfly bath bomb. So then I got her a $50 gift card to Starbucks, of course, because that's what she wants. So I put some glue and I added the skewer on there and I let it dry. Make sure you don't get it on the coat. Perfect. And then the next thing I found were these cute little candles at the dollar store, and they reminded me of just like a Starbucks iced coffee. So I went ahead and I picked these Starbucks stickers on Etsy. They were really cheap, you guys. They were like $2, $3. And then I applied them to the candle. Like it's a Starbucks drink. Look at how cute that is. So I'm really happy with those. I picked it up in green as well. You can see right now I'm going to go ahead and grab the green one and add the sticker as well. I really, really love the stickers. Here's the green one. And then when she's done burning the candle, she could use it like a little Starbucks drink and add a little straw and just put safety pins in there, clips, whatever she wants, hair clips. Look at how cute. So I added that one on the opposite side. So then, like always, I'm just going to rearrange everything because that's what I always end up doing. Just rearrange it however you like and however you think it's going to look really nice on the basket. Okay, so let's keep going. So then once it's dry, I end up putting it right in the back, and I move the cup up so that could be like my little wow factor. And it was perfect because the skewers hold the cup up so it could stay standing. And then I just rearranged everything. Then I got this chocolate. Of course, I had to add some chocolate. World's Finest, one of my favorite chocolates. I added that in the back. I got her a lipstick or lip gloss. I got that from the dollar store and it's e.l.f. So it's really nice. I got her an e.l.f. primer because, of course, young girls love their makeup. So I had to add a couple of makeup items in there. I got her these wipes to clean her cell phone with. So those were from the dollar store and I'm really happy with those. There's 20, I think, wipes in there, but I'm not sure. Of course, I got her a nail clip because I'm always losing mine. So I love to give them out in baskets. I end up getting her this little keychain, and it is a heart, but I love the color because it matches the Starbucks theme. So it's a little heart and it's very cute. I got that at the dollar store, and there's still some there, you guys. So there you go. I'm just making sure I have everything I could actually see it, and just rearranging like always. I'll have pictures on Instagram. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. And if you know anybody who likes DIYs, go ahead and send them my way. Make sure they subscribe and they, have fun watching my videos. So then I made these little cute skewers. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you how I make this cute little skewers. I use the Dove chocolates from the dollar store, of course. And then I use the stickers that I ordered from Etsy. And what I did was I added a chocolate, a sticker, a chocolate, a sticker, and a chocolate. And it came out really nice. I'm really happy with them. Look at it. They look very cute. So go ahead and pick out. You don't have to order stickers if you want to. You could just make the skewers just out of chocolate, and that would look very nice too. So there you go. And then another chocolate, and then another sticker. I actually didn't use it as a sticker. I ended up cutting them in little circles and then just putting the hot glue on the bottom, which came out really perfect. And I'm really happy with it. And then one more chocolate. And then they'll be ready to be put in your basket. And then the ribbon that I used was green as well. So make sure you pick up some green ribbon if you want to make this kind of Starbucks basket for anybody who likes Starbucks, or just as a gift. You could do whatever kind you want of coffee. It doesn't have to be Starbucks. But this is what she likes, so I decided to go ahead and make it. And it came out beautiful. So here I am. I'm going to put one on the side and then the other one on the opposite side. So there you go. And then one more. And right in, and it came out perfect, you guys. I'm really happy with it. And this is the finishing result. And I hope you guys can see it. I moved the camera a little bit higher. And it came out really nice. And I'm really happy with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap it for you guys. I got here you go, the bags from the dollar store like always. They come 2 in a package. So make sure you buy a couple of them. Have them around, and when you need them, they're ready. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. And I'm really happy with it. Look at, I'm just gonna adjust really quick just to make sure she's able to see the candles. And they came out really, really perfect. Go ahead and just grab the top up. Make sure you grab a little bit of tape just to tape the edges on the bottom. I like to tape them to the basket just so the basket looks a little bit more fitted. That's one of my tips to keep the basket looking nice and fit. I tape the bottom with a little bit of tape to the basket and it comes out beautiful. I use my favorite ribbon from the dollar store as I showed you. And then go ahead and measure it and cut it up. And then go ahead and make your bow. That's what I'm going to do right now. And it came out beautiful, you guys. I hope you make one. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you give it to somebody who likes Starbucks. And until next time, bye you guys. Oh yeah, and while I was finishing it up, my son sat right there. And then he just left. He's so cute. But here's the finished basket. I wanted to show you really quick how it came out. Look at how pretty it came out, you guys. Beautiful. Bye, my subbies.